Ika muna dyan. Hey.
Alexa, and of course, Charlie!
Charlie!
Bakit nawala ka dito?
Mukhang may na-revise ng lyrics na sa hit nung 2023. We go. 5, 6, 7. 7. Yes. Thank you.
Five, six, seven, eight. Kaya is here. Hello everyone, I'm Kaya's leader, Angela. Hello, this is Kaya's What's up, it's your girl Alexa. Hello everyone, I'm Sophia. What's up everybody, I'm Kaya Charlotte. And once again, we are Kaya. Thank you for that very energetic introduction, girls. And once again, good afternoon. And of course, thank you for gracing us here at our VinFast booth at the Manila Holiday Show Day 3 here at World Trade Center. Pero bago natin start ang interview, can I get a round of applause for the fans here? Now, girls, lahat sila actually, they are curious. Can you share us again yung name ninyo followed by your age? Hello everyone, I'm Kaya's leader, Angela. Yung age secret. I'm already 26 years old. Hello guys! Hello everyone, my name is Charisse. Kaya Charisse, ayan. And syempre yung age kasi yung with my sister, 26. Sad.
It's Kaya Alexa and I'm 24.
Hello everyone, again I'm Sophia and I'm 23. And of course, to those who don't know us, we are Kaya, we are a fan. Hindi ako makapaniwalang nandito po kami.
First of all, my name is Charlotte. I am 18.
Joke, 23. Yes. And again, to those who don't know us, we are Kaya. We're a Filipino girl group under Sony Music Philippines, and we officially debuted on April 8, 2022 with our debut single, Blah Blah. And we're very happy to be here. Thank you, VinFast. And of course, once again, thank you, Kaya. And as I have heard from your age, you guys are so young, mga nasa 20s. Pero, yung audiences natin, as you can see, you got a lot of fans. Probably not just here at the Mia's booth, but all around the globe, right? So, it's cool to see our Gen Zs and young millennials, of course, embracing things like travel and just exploring the world. A lot of them learn driving their at a young age, right? So, I just want to ask you guys, do you guys already drive and do you travel a lot?
Actually, yung nila po mag-drive sa amin ay si Sophia.
Hindi ako professional.
May professional drive. We just drive them crazy.
I haven't been driving for a long time, pero kami, we travel a lot, pero hindi kami yung nag-drive. Pero we do go places to meet our Zaya from different parts of the metro.
Pero na-inspire kami na nakita namin yung mga VinFast car models. Grabe, ang ganda. So, parang na-excite din ako matuto mag-drive.
Nakaka-inspire magmaneho.
Yes.
That is nice. So guys, baka mamaya hindi na lang isa ang driver sa Kaya, but everybody.
Pwede kayo magdala ng sarili ng eco bag. And nakakatulong na yun sa mga simpleng ways lang. Sabi nga, di ba, small action makes a big difference.
I think we should equip ourselves with more research pa kung paano natin masusustain yung eco-friendly environment, because people, when we know exactly what to do, the process is easier and enjoyable because yun nga, gaya ng sabi nila, kapag mas maraming tao yung gumagawa ng change, mas nakikita natin yung impact because less can do so little but more can do so much.
Don't pressure yourself. Siguro start small. Simulan nyo yung sa pag-recycle, sa pag-conserve ng energy and water. Yung mga nagtutoothbrush dyan ng bukas ang paper naman yan.
So ayun, simulan nyo doon and then make it a habit and then saka kayo mag-take ng big steps after nyo gawing lifestyle, yung nasa-nice.
And maganda na bigaya ka ng friend mo to do it also. Mas maganda, di ba, nagtutulungan tayo? So I think, yun ang goal natin ng Kaya and Zaya.
Yes!
Ayan, so can I get an amen to that? Meron bang unity at Kaya and Zaya when it comes to protecting Mother Earth?
Yeah!
Okay, now we're gonna count on that yes, ha? So now let's talk about something exciting. We're very happy kasi we love working with brands na talagang aligns with our values. And I think this is the perfect part for our music video kasi we envision this unique style na very fit talaga siya sa music namin na ni-release recently. And makita niyo naman sa music video na colorful, very pop yung music. And I think na pumasok talaga sa aesthetic ng music video namin si Vintas. And we're very happy. We're very, very happy to work with Vintas. Sana hindi po ito ang last.